Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and today's tutorial is supposed to be on this look, peach, purple, and blue. I don't want to keep y'all long with this tutorial. This look came out really cute. It's cute, you know what I'm saying? It ain't like the ones I be doing when I be on live, but it's cute though. It's cute though. I've been snapping all quarantine. I've been trying to snap, okay? Snap and get these looks out. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Today is going to be a purple peachy look. Eyes is the base already. I use Plouise Base number 7 and 3, y'all. Y'all already know what the deal is. These brows are snatched, this base is snatched, and this eyeshadow needs to be snatched, okay? I'm going to do a cut crease today. I want to do a basic beat type doing cut creases. I'm going to come on here probably Wednesday with a sandwich look, but today I want to keep it simple. I don't want to sit down too long. I want to take my Magic by Juvias place. It's supposed to be like a challenge that people can do to enter. I don't know. If they send me an email, Juvias place send me an email. But listen in the description right below, y'all, so y'all can enter the challenge. But I am about to go on with this shade right here. I'm going with this one. It's like real deep. This is like one of my favorite colors out of this palette. Make sure your base is like really set. Bases have been my favorite lately. I don't know. Make sure you keep your lid area kind of open, so you don't have to put too much concealer when you so I'm going all the way in the front basically, because you see this is open. You want to put colors right there. You can start from right here and go round, but I don't know, I just start from that part. I'm just tapping, tapping, and this is a medium shader brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. They have a 70% off sale, so I might well, y'all might want to go check it out right now so y'all can get y'all hands on the stuff. Y'all still can get, in quarantine time, y'all still can get products, but make sure when y'all get these boxes, make sure y'all spray it with Lysol. The stuff that has the coronavirus on the back that says, you know, it kills the coronavirus. Make sure y'all spray these boxes, spray them products down before you start using them. Don't, not the products inside, but you know, when it travels, make sure y'all spray it down first before anything. My Morphe 330 brush, and I'm gonna take this Vibes Brights palette, and I want to take this purple right here. We just blending these colors, blending them up. Going on top of that blue with this purple shade, y'all. And that color out of the Vibes palette was called Radical and Low. So I put that last color, y'all. Do this orange right there. Called Zakiya. Zakiya, I'm gonna use a bigger blending brush because it's more fluffier, which means that it's going to, the fluffier brush is going to make it look more diffused. The denser brush is, it packs on more shadow but blending it out like I used for the second shade. If I use this, it would have been more like softer, you know what I'm saying. This one's more fluffy. This is Morphe 535 brush. And what I'm doing is I'm going on top of that second shade that I laid down. You will always go on top of each other, because what's going to do is this edge right here, you see this edge? Putting the bottom part on that purple while the upper part is basically helping me. And take your time. Do not rush, okay? Don't rush. Make sure you don't have nowhere to go when you're doing this. Don't rush, okay? I love Morphe brushes, y'all. So if y'all got some, y'all got the same ones, use them. If y'all don't have none, get up on these. Makeup Addiction brushes are really good too, so try to invest into those. All you need is like good blender brushes, and I'm telling you, Morphe got them all. Okay, if y'all looking for somewhere else to shop, let me know. Okay, let me know if y'all know somewhere that sells good blending brushes besides Morphe, because I'm down to know too. Right, y'all, make sure there's no lines in your base, none of that. You're about to put the peach shade on. I don't know what peach. You gotta buy a peach shade. For the peach shade, peachy pink, we're gonna go with Suburbia. What I'm doing is I am taking my blending brush. This is a 513 from Morphe. And I'm going in packing it on with a blending brush because a blending brush is always going to diffuse the shade. Stay at home. They had to put some white glitter on top of that to make it pop. This NYX lash glue on top of it on my hands. Now it's time for lashes. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation in 490W and 500C. My foundation off camera, and I'm gonna come right back because we done did this so many times. I don't know. I am gonna smoke the bottom out. 36 brush. I'm going with this lip liner from Sephora. We'll do the lips first. So I'm going to take Purple Rain from Dose of Colors. I want to keep it soft still. I'm going with this one. And with some of that orange too. Orange blush. Oh, so good. Right. Honey. It choose to be purple, y'all. Ooh, I knew it. I was like purple pink. I'm like, I'm looking for that highlight. Y'all saw me apply this highlighter, but I did. It's called So Good from MAC. And I applied Artist Couture conceited down my nose. Now it's the completed look, y'all. I'm gonna go change Let me be right there. Oh, also you can add this on top. I think this would be cute, but I wanted to leave it matte. But I think that would be really cute. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, y'all. And I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.